Okay, go!
Save me!
Ay, bumati naman kayo!
Bring me to
Ayun na!
Give me the time, but you were there for me. I was tripping and intoxicated. Without a tongue, without a book, without a soul. Don't let me tell you there's just something wrong. Bring me to life.
Wake me up!
Can't wake up. Save me. Wake me up. I can't wake up. Save me. Bring me to
Kaya nagpalit naman sila?
Bring me to life.
Bate, bate, bate!
Nabat ko yung mga kababayan ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Sana po napapanood niyo to ngayon. Ito nga po pala si Charisse, ang aming guest ngayon.
Batiin mo yung ate mo.
Binabati ko yung mama ko.
Yung ate mo.
Yung ate ko, ay ate. Sa trabaho ngayon. Ayan po, ako po, hindi ako pumasok.